Introduction. Vivek loves oranges. He's come to the fruit market with his father to buy oranges. He finds one shopkeeper selling oranges in bags of 10 each. His father buys 3 bags for Vivek. In this lesson, you will learn to group and count by tens. Numbers from 21 to 30. Look at these 2 baskets of ripe tomatoes. Each basket contains 10 tomatoes. Therefore, we have 2 groups of 10, which means we have 20 tomatoes. Here is an empty basket. Let us place a tomato inside it. We have 2 tens and 1, that is 21 tomatoes. Place one more tomato in the third basket. We have 2 tens and 2, that is 22 tomatoes. Similarly, 2 tens and 3 make 23. 2 tens and 4 make 24. 2 tens and 5 make 25. 2 tens and 6 make 26. 2 tens and 7 make 27. 2 tens and 8 make 28. 2 tens and 9 make 29. 2 tens and 10 make 3 tens, that is 30. Numbers from 30 to 40. Now can you say how many oranges are there? Yes, there are 3 shelves. Each shelf contains 10 oranges. There are 30 oranges. Let us now pick up one orange from the basket and arrange it on the 4th shelf. Now we have 3 tens and a 1, which makes 31 oranges. Keep adding 1 orange at a time to the 4th shelf. 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. And the last orange? Now there are 4 groups of tens, which make 40. Numbers from 40 to 50. Let us now complete this table. 4 tens and 1 give the number 41. 4 tens and 2 give 42. 4 tens and 3 give 43. 4 tens and 4 give 44. 4 tens and 5 is 45. 4 tens and 6 is 46. 4 tens and 7 is 47. 4 tens and 8 is 48. 4 tens and 9 is 49. 4 tens and 10 give 5 tens, that is 50. Numbers from 50 to 99. Let us now complete one more table. 5 tens and 1 give 51. 5 tens and 2 give 52. 5 tens and 10 is 60. 6 tens and 3 give 63. 6 tenths and 4 is 64. 6 tenths and 10 is 70. 7 tenths and 5 is 75. 7 tenths and 6 is 76. 7 tenths and 10 is 80. 8 tenths and 7 is 87. 8 tenths and 8 is 88. 8 tenths and 10 is 90. 9 tenths and 4 is 94. 9 tenths and 9 is 99. Numbers on abacus. We can use an abacus for counting. This is an abacus. It has many strings and each string has many balls. We use the rightmost string to count ones. We use the next string to count tens. This abacus has 3 balls in the 1 string and 2 balls in the 10 string. So, the number is 23. Look at this abacus. It has 5 balls in 1's place and 4 balls in 10's place. Therefore, the number is 45. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. Using groups of 10, we can form all numbers from 11 to 99. Abacus is used to count and form numbers.